Toys on the floor, here and there. Time to clean, show we care. Pick them up one by one. Clean up time is lots of fun. Clean up today. Everybody clean up. Put away nice and neat. Clean up time is super sweet. Books on shelf, shoes in line. Make our room look really fine. Clap, clap, teeth, job well done. Clean and tidy, everyone. Clean up today. Happy room in every way. Sing and play, learn today. Clean habits help us every day. Great job, kids, you did it right. Clean rooms feel cozy and bright. Wave good